This is Jessica. I have been doing an amazing session with a business coach named Nicole Spencer, and today at the end of our business meeting, she challenged us to do a Facebook Live to talk about our passion and why we do what we do. So that's what I'm here to talk about a little bit today. Some of you may already know my story a little bit, so I'll try to keep it relatively brief. I was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes at the age of 8, and ever since then, my whole life basically revolves around making healthy choices for nutrition. Exercise is a huge piece of that as well, and I've spent many years working on developing and figuring out ways to optimize my nutrition to better manage the condition that I have. In the years since I developed type 1 diabetes, I've also developed several other autoimmune conditions, so I do have a lot of experience in figuring out how to manage all different types of conditions, mainly through diet, but also with exercise and just general wellness. So about 2011, I went to school to become a certified personal trainer, National Personal Training Institute. Jeff Ward was my teacher there. He is awesome, and he encouraged us to start a small business that we can kind of pursue our personal training with. So that is when Total Health and Fitness came into existence. 2011, thank you, Jeff, for the fantastic idea. And I have been building on that for a lot of years now. A lot of my clients in the beginning kept asking me to write them diet plans, but I knew that writing a diet was not appropriate for a personal trainer since I didn't have the education and the certifications to be able to do that well and safely. So enough people kept pushing me to do this. And then in 2014, I went on a mission trip to Uganda and spent some time at a malnutrition clinic there. And in the process of holding children who were dying of starvation, God put it on my heart that I needed to further my education so that I could help people who needed assistance with dealing with food as a piece of their health. I ended up going to the University of Alabama and getting a bachelor's degree in food and human nutrition. Roll Tide, please don't hate me. And now I'm almost done with my master's degree at Northeast College of, they just changed the name. It used to be New York Chiropractic College, and now it's Northeast College of Health Sciences. And I am about 3 semesters away from finishing that. And I'm currently working on getting my hours of nutrition practice so that I can then take the registration exam, because you have to have 1,000 hours of practice before you can take the exam. So that's what I'm doing right now, and my passion, the true heart of what I want to do, is to help people develop their best, healthiest lives and live their best, healthiest lives through a holistic view of nutrition and exercise and wellness. Right now, I work with all types of people, but I do specialize in metabolic disorders, specifically diabetes. I do help people of all types, though, to maximize and optimize their nutrition. But the heart of everything that I do is to try to make people be as healthy and develop their wellness in the best way possible. So that's my goal. Eventually in the future, I would like to put together a wellness clinic that has a piece, has the medical piece, as well as like acupuncture, chiropractic care, obviously nutrition, since that's kind of where my education is in, and also fitness, because without physical fitness, you can out-train a bad diet, but you also, if you don't exercise and don't get physically active, you're also not going to be as healthy as you could be. So to me, all of this together, it's just a big overall wellness, holistic view of health, and everything. So if you guys resonate with any of this, I really hope you contact me. I'm very, very interested in speaking to anybody about whatever issues they have, whether it's nutrition issues, fitness issues, however I can be of help. Please, please, please contact me. You can reach me on Facebook at Total Health and Fitness, or you can email me, jessica.tucker@totalhealthandfitness.co, not .com, it's .co. I would love to talk with you, and thanks for checking in with me. I appreciate it. Have a great day.